tes. Gak apa-apa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Poetry Appreciation Project Miss Test. Hi, I am Despita. And the next slide is the topic of Project Mid Test. 1. Voice, speaker, and tone. 2. Sound, rhythm, alliteration, assonance. 3. Rhythm and meters. 4. Imagery. The next slide is purpose. 1. Establishing identity. Voice help establish the unique identity of the reader or speaker. It's like their signature style that distinguishing them from others. 2. Engagement. A well-defined voice and tonic can captivate the audience and keep them engaged. It adds depth and personality to the communication, making it more relatable and interesting. 3. Setting the mood. Tone set mood, atmosphere of the communication, whether it's serious, playful, formal, or informal. Tone guides the readers or listeners on how to inter- interpret the message. 4. Building trust. Consistency in voice and tone can build with the audience. When leaders or listeners know what to expect, they are more likely to connect with the content and the communicator. 5. Conveying emotion. Voice and tone help convey the intent emotion behind the passage, whether it's empathic, excitement, auditory humor. The right voice and tone can amplify an emotional impact on the communication. And the next slide is Lorem ipsum telar sit amet consector adipsing elit suspendis quis enim prectum bibendum and ulam carper tisintun ague. Nunc sed lorem aliquam malesuada lectus eu placerat lorem proem ad alicium sapiem vitae elementum mi nullam suscipit ante ad mi malesuada it solades dolor. The next slide is what is tone of speech in brand communication? While definitely tone of voice influence the tone you say, the tone of speech describe how you say them. The first, but how you write a script, and the second characteristic, the performance. The speaking style, emotion, and brand personality. When we describe a style of speech, we also describe emotion. We perceive speech as happy, sad, angry, attack. So, when creating a scientific voice, companies so strive to get as close as possible to review human connection between a company identity and the consumer. A. Controlling speaking style with AI-powered text-to-speech. Read Speaker is a not branding agency, although we to work closely with them. So, we don't give advice about how to construct your brand identity from scratch. 1. Appropriate emphasis. 2. Speaking speed and rhythm. 3. Emotional expressive TTS. The next slide is example of speaking style In TTS interaction, 1. Giancarlo Esposito for Sonos voice control. 2. Anna the AI assistant in augmented reality game Asolity. 3. Adam Reed speaker conversational British English voice. And the next is what is different between tone and voice. Tone and voice can be easy to mix up, especially when they're said together so often. And the next slide is sound, rhyme, alliteration, and assonance. A definition: rhyme, alliteration, assonance. Elements of poetry: rhyme, alliteration, assonance. Is a one types of rhyming, two type of alliteration, three type of assonance. And the next slide is the rhythm scheme in many languages, including modern European language and Arabic. Poetry uses rhythm in set patterns as a structural element for specific poetic forms such as ballads, sonnets, and rhythm couplets. A example of rhythm alliteration assonance: 1. Rhythm: cook and book, look and flock, cat and hat. Imperfect rhythm do not perfectly match rhyming schemas or syllabic stress. The example is a love move, hat and bed, hill and full. And the next slide is alliteration. Alliteration is a example is a little lemony lovers, big burgers, funny frog, frog licking. And assonance is example that, met, and set. To, set, met, and get. Poor, cool, and blue. And the next slide is a rhythm and meter. Rhythm and meter are essential elements in poetry and music, providing structure and musicality to the language or composition. Rhythm refers to the pattern or stress and unstressed syllables in language is the arrangement of sound and silence in time, creating a sense of movement. Meter is a specific rhythmic pattern or structure in poetry determined by the arrangement of stress and unstressed syllables in a line of verse. It is the recurring pattern of stress, accented, and unstressed, unaccented syllables that creates a rhythmic framework within poem. And the next slide is wow. B. Purpose. Purpose is example is a structural integrity, expensive, aesthetic appeal, memorability, and repetition, cultural and historical significance. C. Types of rhythm. 1. Regular isometric rhythm. 2. Irregular asymmetric. 3. Syncopated rhythm. Pol- Polyrhythm. 5. Hemiola. 6. Ritardando or accelerando. 7. Swing rhythm. 8. Ostinato or riff. D. Types of meter. Meter is a lembic meter, anapestic meter, declimeter, and the last traxic meter. Of imagery 4. A definition: imagery is a How is imagery in poetry? Imagery allows the readers to clearly see, touch, taste, smell, and hear what is happening, and in some cases even empathize with the poetry or their subject. B. Purpose 1. Engaging understanding. 2. Creating vividness and realism. 3. Eliciting emotion and empathy. And the next 7 types of imagery in poetry is example is a visual imagery, auditory imagery, gustatory imagery, tactile imagery, olfactory imagery, kinesthetic imagery, and the last organic imagery. How do you explain imagery in poetry speaking style in Tata's interaction? Its literary meaning, imagery refers to the language and technique used by writers to ingest the reader's sense. The poetry will use figurative language such as smiles and metaphors to create rich description. Oh, well, was one to breath of autumn being two from whose season presents the leaves that are driven like ghosts from an enchanted feeling. And what is imagery used in poetry? The poetry use imagery to draw in the reader and accents. Sorry, experience will evoke stronger emotion. If a poetry is written about the futility of war, a poem which transports the reader to horror of the battle will arouse feeling of appeal, anger, sympathetic, and disgust. A good poetry wants to communicate by engaging with the sense and emotion the poetry gets and keep the reader's attention because action sorry poem is also more memorable. And the next slide is thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.